Alright, so we're updating this. Like I told you guys, I'll be manufacturing this, and guess what? Finally open for a pre-order. It should be in stock super soon, within a week and a half or 2 weeks maximum. So guys, go ahead and pre-order it. So the red one's coming off. Literally just use a plastic pry tool, the blue one right off my site. Literally we use that to get on top, and I kind of pulled it, use this side to pull it open. Whole one's out. Unplugged it over here from the tail light and unplugged it, so took it back out. The new one's going on right there. Check it out. That is dope. Now it's finally gonna match the tail lights. Sweet. So basically same thing. Run the wire from here. I'm gonna go ahead and use some silicone or Gorilla 3M tape is fine too, but either or will work fine. So use whatever you guys want. But this was what's it called, my test, so that's why I don't have adhesive on this. So this one's gonna be going on literally just like that. Push the wire through obviously from there. I'm gonna put it over there, and same thing, run it down. I usually use a magnetic tool to go up over here, magnetic tool, the extender, so it goes right here. I can see it. I could bring it all the way up top, as you can see, and then just plug and play to the harness here, just like that. We should be good to go. One important thing is, once you guys connect everything, you have wires and stuff. A lot of people, when you guys install these taillights, aftermarket taillights, you guys say, oh, this thing's popping out, you know what I mean? You guys say, oh, this is popping out or whatnot. This is mainly because the wires here, they're pushing the light out from this corner, so you got to find the right spot. For instance, the deepest spot is right here. This is the deepest spot, so this is why I usually put my wires, so I don't have that issue of my light popping out in the corners. So just kind of play with it, get the corners in first on this side, and then you want to line it up. So push this wire off the way. So clicked in. So you see, if you make these two nuts here, come here. If you make these tight, like really tight, that's why you gotta hand tight them. If you make them really tight, it's gonna pop out. As you can see right here, watch this angle. I'm gonna make this tight with my fingers. You see how it pops out then? If you make it really tight, it moves a little bit. So that's why you wanna make sure you hand tight those, all right? And now everything is in place. It's perfect. And now all I gotta do is just hand tight these two screws here, and that stays flushed right here. That's flushed, which is perfect. That's what you want. So this is a solid, not solid. So this is a flashing effect, a strobing effect. It strobes like a few times, and then it goes solid, which is pretty dope. So it's not constantly doing the strobing effect, which is nice. The solid one, it's just gonna just be like that. Like once you hit the brakes, it's gonna be bright like that. Obviously the tail lights were off, so this will stay off. Once the tail lights are on, this will stay on, but it won't be bright unless you hit the brakes. Then it's gonna be bright. For solid, it's gonna be like that when you hit the brakes, like bright. All right. One more time. It's pretty bright. Just very bright out right now using the camera, of course, but it's pretty bright though. I'll make an evening video too for you guys. All right, it's a little bit dark out. The sun is setting right now, so let's do it again. I'm just gonna do a little bit of close-up, probably center it out for you guys a little bit so you guys can see it better in the middle view. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the brakes. This is the strobe effect one. Again, if you don't want it to strobe or anything like that, just get the solid one. That will just stay lit when the lights are on, and it will get brighter when I hit the brakes. But this one, obviously, I'll show you guys when the light is on. Hold on a second. This is basically when the tail lights are on and everything like that, all right? So just center it again real quick. So the lights are on right now, okay? And let me show you, try to focus on it so I could show you exactly how it looks in person. So, okay. There you go. So the light is on. I'm trying to focus on it. Light's on right now. There you go, it's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and press the brakes. Well, there you have it. That's it. Go ahead, order it. Peace out until next time, fam.